This video is a follow-up to the previous one where we were using the 1 hour chart to find direction, and I should have actually really gone a bit more in depth with this aspect of it all. On that previous video I had the 20 period turned off, and in hindsight you should actually keep it on there because it might help you make better decisions, and I'll explain why. Previously I said when blue goes below orange we can start to look for shorts, and that is still true. So like here you can still look for shorts in this area, okay? No, but it was pretty scatty. The MACD on the 1 hour chart was telling us that it was in the correct position to go short, but I have mentioned this previous that the 20 EMA is the zero line. Really, at the end of the day, if the 3 and the 8 EMA are not below zero, it's not really a short. It's being held up. Okay, so that's why you could keep this 20 EMA on the chart until such time as you can visualize what the MACD is doing, which is measuring the distance between the 8 and the 20 EMA. So realistically, for shorts to happen, we want to see the 8 cross through the 20. Now the blue line, the 3 EMA, will of course have gone through. Okay, so, and for longs it's exactly the same. We really want to see this 8 EMA crossing up, which is here, which is the crossover. They're probably the safest ways to trade this aspect of it with finding trend. So like this here, you might have just saved yourself a lot of grief by trying to enter here on the 10-minute chart, and then we can see here at the close of the day and heading into the Asia session right now, there's been this beautiful long. I just turned the charts on, and there was a ginormous long in this area here for 130 points so far on NASDAQ. So maybe just while you're getting your head around all of this, just keep this 20 EMA on the chart. So here you can see that blue was below orange. The MACD was also pointing down, but none of it really crossed over. So realistically, this whole day there was really no trades if you base everything around the 20 period moving average. It's up to you. I'm just trying to look. If you miss a day because there's no trades, I think it's fine, because what you missed here you might pick up again on another day, okay, such as the following day where it just, had you entered in here somewhere, whatever you didn't make the day before, you picked up the following day. And yeah, there's going to be some trades where you think, well, I could have entered here and made 100 points. So they're things that you need to judge. It's difficult. Trading is really difficult. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it, and I'm certainly trying to do it an easy way. So you can see here that if you didn't have the 20 EMA here, you could have gone short, and there was a scalp, okay? But maybe if you just let that go and wait for the trend to right itself, you can see here that the 3 tried to come down and the 8 tried to come down to the 20, but it bounced off here. So had you been at the charts at that point of time, I don't know, that's where you would have taken a long in there. Just go back through your charts and just have a look and just see how everything's moving about. That's the best advice. Or just get rid of the 20. It's up to you, and just go for it. So like here, you can avoid these fake outs. I call them fake outs. So it's tried to go long. Look at the chart of the 10-minute here. It's absolutely hopeless. How could you trade that? That's why I initially had a 20 EMA on here, because it just gives me a little bit more solidity, and in my confirmation of like, okay, well, if it's past that, it's up the MACD. You have to have something as a foundation, and to me it's always the 20. Anyway, just go back through your charts, and you can't avoid this sort of stuff where it's just flat and just going up and down. Here clearly, the 3's pass through the 20. You look at the 10-minute chart, and if the 3 and the 8 is through the 20, well, it's a good sign to take a trade. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Go and back test this stuff and see what you come up with.